How to fix Telegram downloaded files and media is not showing in File Manager. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look for the method on how we can fix the issue of your Telegram files not showing in your File Manager. So let's get started. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, I want you to make sure that you have downloaded the latest version of the app. You may just go to the Play Store and check for the latest update. If there is any kind of update available, just tap on update and download the latest version. The next thing I want you to do is just long press on the app and tap on the app info. After tapping on it, you will be able to see the permissions option. Just tap on permissions. And here, make sure you have gave access to files and media and microphone. If you haven't, then you will see that option under not allowed. Just tap on it and just allow access to those options. After that, see if that makes any changes or not. Just go to your media file manager. After that, go to the internal storage and here look for Telegram file. If you can't find the Telegram file directly, just go under Android. After going under there, just go to media and here you will be able to see the telegram.messenger option with the file. Just tap on that file and here you will be able to see the Telegram file. Just tap on Telegram images and video and probably you will be able to see your Telegram files that were not being shown in your file manager. So by following these steps, you can fix your Telegram downloaded files and media is not showing bug on your phone by these methods. Therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.